Welcome to my smart home. On our smart home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your York boiler with Apple HomeKit makes managing your heating system smarter and more convenient. York's smart thermostats are HomeKit compatible, allowing you to adjust the temperature settings of your boiler via Siri commands or the Home app. To get started, connect your York smart thermostat to your Wi-Fi network and download the manufacturer's app to add the thermostat. Then, open the Apple Home app and select Add Accessory. Scan the HomeKit QR code on your thermostat to link it to the HomeKit ecosystem. Once the setup is complete, you can use Siri to adjust your boiler's temperature settings with voice commands. For example, you can say, "Hey Siri, set the temperature to 72 degrees," or "Hey Siri, turn off the boiler." Additionally, you can use the Home app to schedule boiler settings, activate energy-saving modes, and create scenarios tailored to your daily routine. With Apple HomeKit's automation features, your boiler can seamlessly integrate with other smart home devices. For instance, you can create an automation to lower the temperature when you leave home or to increase it in the morning for added comfort. This combination ensures both comfort and energy efficiency in your home. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.